How to log into Millennium bank account, Portugal online banking. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can log into your Millennium bank, that is a Portugal log banking. So first of all, you need to open a new browser tab and search for Millennium bank from here. And as you can see, the first web link is the millennial bank millennium.pl. That's the official website. You just simply need to click on there, and you can see here multiple options here. You just have to click on login from here, and you just have to give the username or the account number and then click on next. They say the username as meal code, so you just have to simply give like this, and you just click on next. And you can also just search Millennium app on your Google Play Store if you're using a Android app, and search for Millennium bank app. And after that, you can just simply click on the Millennium, and uh, you can do the rest as similar as the desktop version. You can just give the mail code and log into your bank account. So that's it for this video, guys. See you on the next one.